Hola everybody, and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you, from Cuba, Pastelitos. So we're going to show you what our ingredients are for today, and then we're going to show you the process. So here's our ingredients, what we're going to be using today. We've got some flour, Demerara Sugar, we've got our egg and some salt, we've got our cream cheese, and we've put our icing and sugar in there already, and we've got our Guava Cheese, what's on another video of how to make this. So this, not only is it a sweet, you can use it for other things, and this is what we're going to be using it on today. And we've got our puff pastry. So those are our ingredients for today. So we're going to get on with this now and show you the process. Right, so the first thing what we're going to do, we're going to dust our surface. So you're just going to need a fine sieve, and you're just going to lightly dust the surface. Then we're going to get a roll of our puff pastry. I'm just going to lay that flat. Right, so we've rolled out our puff pastry, so we're going to cut it down the middle. And then we're going to cut it in 4. I'm just going to do 3 for the time being. Right, so we've broken our egg into our bowl, and we've got our little bit of salt in there, and we're just going to give this a quick whisk through. So that's about how much whisking we need to do on that. And then our pastry now, we're going to take that and put it onto our tray. That one's a bit small, but we'll work with it still. I'm just going to work with those 4 for now. So what we're going to do with our egg now, we're just going to brush around the sides. Right, so that's our sides brushed. Then you're going to need a small spoon And this is our cream cheese, what we've already mixed with our icing sugar. We need about a teaspoon. Or maybe a little bit more. Right, so we're just going to, we almost fill in the center of these. Right, and then we're going to put our guava cheese on top of it. They need about 3 bits on one. So that's our guava cheese on there. Right, so we've got our pastelitos on the tray. We've put our cream cheese and our guava cheese on top. So now we're going to put our pastry over the top. And then we're going to seal it in. We've already put our egg wash there, so it's all going to be sealed in. So just make sure that you get the sides sealed in properly. You might get a little bit of cream cheese coming out of them. Right, so we've got our pastelitos on the tray and we've put our tops on. We're going to just lightly score the tops. Just need 2 on each one. You're not going right through, just scoring it. Right, and then we're going to get our egg. I'm just going to brush that over them. So if you've made the guava cheese already, this is another recipe that you can use them on. And if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you want to leave a comment, please do leave one in the comment section. We do get back to you. Right, so that's our egg wash on. Then we're going to get our Demerara sugar. Then we're just going to sprinkle some on top. And if you want to make these smaller, you can make them smaller. we've just made these like a bigger size. Right, so we've got our pastelitos ready. We're going to put them in the oven. They're going in quite a hot oven. So if you've got a gas oven, it's going to be gas mark 5. If you've got a fan oven, it's going to be 200. So we're going to put them in there for 25 minutes. And when they come out, we're going to show you what they look like. And you want those golden brown and very crispy when they come out. Right everybody, so they've been in the oven now for 25 minutes and we're just going to take them out now and show you what they look like. So that's what they look like everybody. Nice and puff up and ready to eat. So thanks for watching this one and we hope to see you on the next one. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you want to leave a comment, drop a comment in the comment section. And thanks for supporting the channel.